In order for Dana to be useful in the real world, it needs to be able to handle noisy data. And so for the fifth Soleta product update, we're going to be diving into some basic text cleaning. Suppose that I'd like to know what channels perform best. You might ask, can you help me with this? We'll give a second for Dana to react. And it says that, oh yeah, sure, I can help. To determine which channels perform best, we can look at total sales or the number of orders placed. Which one would you prefer? Well, I'd like to actually graph total sales for this year so far, grouped by channel. Okay, so now behind the scenes, the user wants to see a graph of total sales for the year, grouped by channel. And very quickly, we get the SQL query. Okay, here are the results. But as we can see, there's Google here, there's Google Analytics here, there's Facebook and Facebook ads over here. Okay, so this is interesting. It seems like there's actually maybe a few different formats that the channels are being named. This is a little bit messy. So let's go ask Dana. Can you please merge the channels named Facebook, FB, and Facebook ads into social underscore Facebook? Basically, like all the canonical items should be. Okay, so they've gone ahead and written some code to make that happen. Okay, so then now we also want to rename, we've got Google here and maybe GA over here, right? So let's go ahead and rename these. There's Google, there's GA, there's Google underscore search, and Google Analytics, which should be renamed into search Google. And there's also TikTok. So let's add that, rename TikTok into social underscore TikTok. Great, so that will run and they will be replaced respectively, and the replace method is done. And we look at it there, automatically in place, it's being done. Now there's Bing, there's Yahoo, so awesome. Please also replace the Bing channel with search Bing and the Yahoo channel name with search Yahoo. So you got to look for the same columns and then make the replacements once again. The code gets generated. There you go. It's updated. Now let's graph the total sales for, I guess for this again, grouped by the channel. And we'll go through the loop. It seems like we need to update the SQL query. And there you go. Now we have a graph. Okay, it seems like there's still Twitter that's not being renamed correctly. So with one more, can you please rename the Twitter channel into social Twitter? Let's see, underscore Twitter. There you go. It should go ahead and make that replacement as well. Okay, that should be everything then. So then now finally, can you please graph the total sales for this year grouped by channel and maybe also ordered by sales? Great. And the year column is also needed to filter for the year, so everything comes together. And then we now have all of the items. And wonderful, now it's done. So there you go. Dana can now handle messy text, and we will be able to handle more amazing things in the future with noise